It's all good though, we don't mind.
A jumper.
There we go. Good walk. Well done. Well done. We'll keep one for free tonight.
If you guys want this one, I mean, we're not in a position where we even have a stove, so I tell if anybody wants it. I'll bring it into a restaurant and probably cook for you.
Yeah, if you've got a restaurant,
right?
that's about $20, so we'll try and get the big one. Because it's $20 a fish, so we're taking a fish that way.
Yeah, $18 for the special.
Yeah. So you're better off, well done. Sounds good. Alright. Your little salmon. Probably use that for bait back home, wouldn't you?
Are salmon related to trout? They seem very, very
It's like very similar shape.
Yeah,
I would have thought that was a trout if I saw it first.
the tails are the ones that give it away. You have a look at the tail. It's got a silver tail and a V in this tail. Trout's got a flat tail. A rainbow trout's got spotty tail. Brown trout's got a plain tail. Salmon's got a silver.